This crumbling evidence is there in black and white that you can see. The inside story of Sardar Patel, and we are going to get you an excerpt from the book which exposes the lies of the Congress party. Let me go across to Amita, who's joining us with all the details. Tell us what is in these pages from Sardar Patel's daughter's diary.
Well, as far as Maniben Patel is concerned, because remember it was Manickam Tagore of the Congress party who had called out Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh's statement as an absolute lie, claiming that there is no archival or evidence to back that statement. But here is the proof, here is the excerpt coming in from that very diary, the inside story of Sardar Patel, the diary of Maniben Patel from 1936 to 1950, and this is the question which the Congress party now needs to answer, Meghna, saying that Nehru also raised the question of Babri Masjid, but Sardar made it clear that the government could not spend any money for building a mosque. He told Nehru that the question of reconstruction of Somnath temple was quite different, as a trust has been created for the purpose and about rupees 30 lakh was collected. Patel told Nehru that it was the trust of which Jam Saheb was the chairman and Munshi a member, and no government money was going to be used for this purpose, and this silenced Nehru. This has now been of the excerpt talked about in 1950 of September 20th. So this is the evidence, Meghna, in black and white.
Well, there you have it, the evidence, and what you just saw was the diary of one of the daughters of Patel, and it very categorically says, these pages very categorically say that Patel has objected to it. Well, this is Patel's objection about giving public funds to build the Babri Masjid. So the Congress's lies have now been busted in this diary. The black and white evidence on your screens. In fact, let's get you more reactions which are coming in. This is Congress's Imran Masood. This is what he has to say.
सरकार के अंदर है कोई दस्तावेज दे दें. हमारे पास दस्तावेज हैं कि सरदार पटेल ने इनके जो पेरेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, जो विचारधारा है, उस विचारधारा के विरुद्ध जो पत्र लिखा था और उसके अंदर उसको बैन किया था, वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंस है. तो ये ऐसी बात मत करें. सरकार के अंदर शामिल लोग अगर इस प्रकार की बातें करेंगे और इस प्रकार का झूठा नैरेटिव देश के अंदर फैलाएंगे तो ये बहुत ही दुखदायी है.
Well, this is going to be one of the top focus stories here on Times Now.